Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the Touchpad Control Panel on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new Touchpad Control Panel for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's control panel contains the touchpad that allows the user to select various wash cycle options and settings. It interfaces with the dishwasher's control board to initiate the chosen cycle. If the touchpad fails, the buttons on the touchpad may no longer respond. The buttons may stick or short, causing the buttons to act like they're being pressed without user input. Since we will be working on the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. Note this repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove these 10 screws from around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door without engaging the latch. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges and set it on a soft surface to prevent scratching. Now, gently remove the door insulation from the door panel without ripping or tearing. Then, while supporting the control panel as it overhangs an edge, gently press down on the four plastic retaining tabs using a flat-headed screwdriver to separate it from the door panel. The pocket handle is held in place by four locking tabs, two here and two here. To remove it, depress the two larger locking tabs while pulling the handle in the opposing direction. You may need to use a flat-headed screwdriver to make this process easier. Then gently pry in one of the smaller clips to free one side of the handle and repeat the same on the other side. Exercise caution as the retainers are fragile and may break. If you need to purchase a new touchpad control panel, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the pocket handle to the control panel and press until it snaps into place. Align the four retaining tabs on the control panel to the slots on the outer door panel and push into place. Then, gently lift up on the control panel to ensure the locking tabs are secure. Align the door insulation to the outer panel and work it into the door. Now align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, align the screw holes on the panel to the screw holes on the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the two top corner screws, bearing in mind that the four larger screws belong on the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, reinstall the remaining screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.